Ooh, this one looks different. But we follow the same steps. So what was that first step? Hopefully you're trying to remember. What was that first step? Are you saying it? Are you? Why are you talking to the? Okay. You get everything over to one side. So I'm gonna subtract 50w over to the left side minus 50w. So that will go away. It'll be 0 on the right side, and then 5w cubed minus 50w. And then what do? Well, you use your factoring text. Factor however you can. And in this case, I can divide by 5w, right? 5w. Because, well, I can divide by 5 for both of those, and w is the smallest variable. So there we go. Whatever you divide by goes on the outside of the parentheses. And then I get w cubed divided by w, that's w squared. 50 divided by 5, that's 10. So that is minus 10. And then equals 0. Oh, and this is the same as before. This is nothing fancy. So what can I do here? Well, set each piece equal to 0, right? It's 5w equals 0. Divide by 5. W equals 0. Cool, that's one of our answers. And then w squared minus 10 equals 0. Well, add 10 to both sides. And then I get w squared equals 10. Remember, use square root to get rid of the square. But every time you do that, you have to do a plus or minus. So then w equals plus or minus the square root of 10. You could write it in a different way. You could write w equals positive square root of 10, and then w equals negative square root of 10. Because what happens when I square this? Well, I would get w squared, right? I'm going backwards. And I would get positive 10, which is what I wanted in the first place. That's why you do a positive and a negative. If you plug this in to this, it will give you 10. If you plug this in to this, it will still give you 10. So that's why you got to do plus and minus. And I'm going to write it this way, because I don't know why. I already put a box around that. That was super easy. Okay, good day, sirs and madams.